Public School in class first. Today I will recite Surah Al-Fatiha with translation. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All the praise be to Allah, the Lord of worlds. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim, the most gracious, the most merciful. Malik Yawmiddin, Master of the judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone we worship and you alone we ask for help for each and everything. Indina Sirat al-Mustaqim. Guide us the straight way. Sirat al-Lazina anamta alayhim, Ghair al-Maghdubi alayhim wa la-dhalin. The way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, not the way of those who earned your anger, such as the Jews, nor the way of those who went astray, such as the Christians.